In Manipur, 11 individuals were confirmed COVID-19 positive at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory (VRDL) in Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) Imphal yesterday, taking the total tally to 143. There are 91 active cases and 52 patients have been discharged or cured in the state. India's tally of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 surged to 236,657 after 9,887 new cases and 294 deaths, the highest so far, were recorded between Friday and Saturday, the Union Health Ministry data showed. According to Health Ministry's dashboard, there are 1,15,942 active cases of COVID-19 and 1,14,072 people have been cured of the highly infectious disease so far. India had overtaken Italy as the sixth worst affected nation in the world yesterday, according to US Johns Hopkins University. Former Governor of Manipur, Jharkhand and Mizoram, Ved Marwa, passed away at a hospital in Goa last night. He was 87. Ved Marwa was admitted to the hospital almost 3 weeks back after he suffered a fall at his residence in Goa, a report said today. TRIPURA'S COVID-19 tally reached 695 after 48 new cases were reported last night. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb said out of 1,026 samples tested, 48 tested positive of COVID-19. According to a media report, all 48 people confirmed positive. All of them have travel history. UK-based Dr. Biswajit Ilangbam, a consultant in emergency medicine, and Dr. Anand Arora, consultant intensivist of SWBH NH, jointly organized a webinar on COVID-19. Doctors from UK and Manipur took part in the webinar. The state doctors were from RIMS, JNIMS, State Health Services, Shija Hospital, ACME, apart from private hospital staff. The webinar was organized to share experiences of early stage of COVID-19 pandemic. Cookie Student Organization KSO More distributed rice to 30 poor and needy households at the organization office More today. Each household was given 10 kgs of rice along with face masks. Volunteers of KSO also sensitized the residents on COVID-19 pandemic during the distribution of rice. SENAPATI District Women Association (SDWA) inspected quarantine centers across Senapati District Headquarters. The SDWA team interacted with the inmates of quarantine centers at Mount Pisgah College, Senapati Diet Center, Bethany Higher Secondary School and Badminton Hall at Indoor Stadium. The team maintained strict social distancing norms during the visit. Experts from Singapore will reach Duliajan on Monday to contain the blowout at a gas-producing well in Oil India Limited's well at Bagjan in Upper Assam's Tinsukia district. According to media reports, 3 experts, Michael Ernest Alcorn, Senior Well Control Operations, Craig Neil Duncan, Senior Well Control Engineer, and Edward Harris McLeod, Senior Well Control Specialist belonging to MS Alert Disaster Control, will be flown to the site to control the blowout. At least 20 staff of the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation (DMRC) have tested positive for COVID-19 till now. As per a media report, these employees of the DMRC are currently on the road to recovery and are in good health. DMRC officials said that many of its staff members have been coming to the office or to station premises to ensure the smooth resumption of services whenever the orders come from the government. President Donald Trump said yesterday that the US has already produced 2 million vaccine doses for the coronavirus disease COVID-19 that are ready to go if they check out for safety. According to the New York Times, the Trump administration has selected 5 companies as the most likely candidates to produce a vaccine for the coronavirus disease. The number of confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the US currently stand at 1.87 million and 108,120 people have been killed so far, according to Johns Hopkins University.